Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to 5 secant of t, because if I put this one goal here, we have 25 secant of t square, 25, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ask. Next, the ask we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of t tan t dt. Now I will put this one goal here and here. The ask we change by this one, so we have 25 secant of t square. 25, we can do about factorization. So this one we have tan t square. The square root of 25 tan t square, we have 5 tan t. Now we simplify 5 secant of t on numerator and denominator. Tan t, we have 5 tan t square. So I will put number 5 goal here. Tan t square, we change secant of t square minus 1. This is about trigonometric identity. The integration of secant of t square, we have tan t. Number 1, we have t. And then I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 5. And then you got about t equals to arcsecant of x over 5. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer.